Since I yet again did not beat the game, we are back to the wheel, where I will be spinning for an additional challenge. I really hope it's well, honestly, I don't know what I'm hoping for because all of this I'm awful at, but you know, we'll see. Spinning the wheel. Come on. Okay, okay. That's not that bad. I mean, I main Bandit, but it's not like I'm good with Bandit. Like I suck with every survivor. Just a little less with Bandit. So not being able to use Bandit is, like it sucks, blah blah blah, boo-hoo. But there's worse things on that wheel. There's an Eclipse 8 run on that wheel. Yeah, so it could always be worse. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. Don't even worry about it. I did get a tip. Well, a few tips. Uh, I got a suggestion, right, from a good friend of mine. That's fall damage. A good friend of mine, Rogue Steady Max, to one to prioritize items over, winning the stage quickly, and like to always try to average one item per minute, which I'm already not doing right now. Fuck. I thought I could do like a cool last second dodge, but no. I had to just mess that up. I can never get anything cool. There's my about one item in a minute. Ooh, okay. Well, that's pretty useless if I don't get more of them. So. Um, uh, I just really hope I don't die here because obviously my ultimate goal is to beat the game. But for right now, what's realistic until I get better is I want to at least get past stage 3. That's the goal right now. I'm already behind on items. I'm supposed to have one by now. Hey, that's equipment. Oh, I'll take it. I'll take it. What is that? Fire a swarm of missiles. Yes, because why not? That's reasonable equipment. I'll gladly take that. Technically not an item, but you know, I'd say I'm pretty on schedule. So anyway, I'm gonna take his advice and chill out and get items before I do the teleporter. I'll be doing myself a favor, and if I do die here, at least I don't have a 5-minute video. Wow, so planning. Yeah, hey, that's another one. Um, where's more items? Maybe over where the teleporter is. Maybe there's something there. I don't know. Haven't checked, so yeah. Let's see, let's see. I don't see anything right now. You know, I'm optimistic. Maybe it's closer to it. I'm no longer optimistic. Oh, there's something. Ooh, a drone. Okay, cool, cool. Not exactly. Is that a turret? Yeah, that's a turret. I don't want turrets. I thought there was something. Well, it is something, but I thought it was like an enemy. It was just that thing. That thing. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. What is it shooting at? Oh, um, I need more items, but I really can't find any. Maybe I'll go up there, see what's over there. Yeah. I'm really overusing this fucking dash teleport thingy. I'm also, this wasn't like a tip I got, but I'm also gonna really prioritize staying alive over charging the teleporter. Oh shit, he's playing Bongo Cat. Hey, would you look at that? I completely overlooked that. Ooh, that's cool. I feel like I could definitely use that. Anything with healing, I could use. And max HP, because 171 is not that much. Ooh, healing chest. Just when I talked about HP. And it's right next to where I dropped in. Ooh, medkit. Oh, right. I have been here. Maybe. No, there's nothing up here. Okay, cool. 6 minutes and 3 items. Oh no, wait, 4 items. Oh, that was hella late. I meant to do that way earlier. Now I won't mistime it. Told you I wouldn't mistime it. Drone is full HP, I'm full HP. I'm a little behind on items, I'm a lot behind on items. But you know what, I'll just do it. I'd say that's manageable. Yeah, that's fine, that's fine. I think. And if it's not, I'm gonna cry. I'm kidding. I'm gonna cry off camera. I'm gonna cry when I stop the recording, yeah. I'm gonna cry when no one can hear it. No, of course not. No, I've grown past, being mad at this game because I won't win anyway. But, suffering makes for good content, right? I hope something really cool happens, because then I can make a short out of it. Get out of here, you glacial fuck. That sounded racist. Holy shit. Bro, I get it, you have beetle guard thingies, but, just stop.
Hi, Editing Divine here. Let's watch that in a slightly more frame by frame manner to really see what happened, huh? Yeah, that's content.
What? Huh? Excuse me? What? What? That's extremely disappointing. What the what? Huh? What? Bro, what? I just got one tapped. That was really short. What? Okay, I need to find something positive in this. Uh, one, it'll make for a good short. Two, less editing. I might even do it today on the day of recording. Yeah, that was really short. Uh, wow. What? I have no words, bro. That's wild. Uh, fucking, yeah. Oh shit. I'm fucking around with a bottle cap and it flew over my desk. Anyway, yeah. Thanks for watching me get one tapped after 8 minutes of uh, delaying my death. Uh, Tune in next time for more suffering in a game I keep playing, even though I've expressed suffer suffering. Yeah, blah, blah.